Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through exactly how to use Uber app to get wherever you need to go. This guide will show you how to navigate the interface and book a ride with confidence. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Uber app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account with your location services enabled. This is the first essential step to access the mapping features and see all the available drivers currently operating in your immediate area. Step 2 is to then tap on the search bar at the top or the enter pickup location box to begin setting up your journey details. This input field is where you define your starting point, which is crucial for the app to calculate the distance and find the nearest driver for you. Step 3 is to enter your pickup location and your destination address into the designated text boxes to map out your entire trip. Providing specific addresses ensures that you get an accurate price quote and helps your driver navigate directly to your exact location without confusion. Step 4 is to then scroll through the ride options, then check the price, number of passengers allowed, and estimated arrival time for each vehicle type. This comparison step is important because it allows you to choose between budget-friendly rides or larger vehicles depending on your specific needs and travel party. Step 5 is to finally tap on your preferred ride option and click on Choose UberX at the bottom to officially request your driver. Once you confirm this selection, the app will match you with a nearby vehicle and provide you with the driver's name, car model, and license plate number. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.